Hello, my name is Liam, and today on Elder Law Learn, we'll be covering Medicare, private pay, Medicaid, and some frequently asked questions. The first thing you should ask yourself when trying to pay for nursing home care is, do I have private, employer-based, or long-term care specific insurance that will help cover the cost? If yes, that's great. Make sure to read your policy documents to understand your coverage. Increasingly, however, these options are less common. For many nursing home residents, Medicare is the first step in paying for their nursing home care. Medicare is health insurance for older or disabled Americans provided by the federal government. Most recipients enroll in a Medicare Part A plan when turning age 65. If you do have Medicare coverage, it might cover up to 100 days of nursing home care under certain conditions. First, you have to have a hospital stay that lasts at least 3 days. From there, you need to enter the nursing home no more than 30 days after the hospital stay, and the care that you plan to receive at the nursing home has to be for the same condition that caused your hospital stay. Finally, a doctor needs to order your nursing home treatment and agree that you need skilled care. Skilled care means that you need nursing or therapy staff to treat, manage, observe, and evaluate your care. In 2022, Medicare will completely cover the first 20 days of a nursing home stay, but a co-payment is required for each of the final 80 days. A co-payment is a charge for part of the cost of your care that you are required to pay. Medicare will help cover as many as, but no more than, 100 days of skilled care or nursing home care, so long as you continue to need it on a daily basis. If your care needs change, however, your coverage might end before 100 days. One important thing to note is that you still qualify for Medicare coverage if you need skilled care to maintain your current health status or prevent decline. In other words, you cannot lose your coverage because your health isn't improving. Unfortunately, not everyone knows this, and nursing homes and Medicare will sometimes stop coverage because residents aren't improving. Residents anywhere in the United States can discuss their rights and personal situation with their local long-term care ombudsman program. Lastly, many individuals use Medicare Advantage plans. These have different coverage and costs. You should check with your specific plan for coverage details. Some residents can pay for their care privately using their own money, but nursing homes are expensive and this is rare. Another option that's more common is to use your own money until you run out, and then to switch to Medicaid, which we'll discuss next. Nursing homes list their daily cost in the admission agreement or contract that you sign before entering the nursing home. The most common source of funding for nursing home care is Medicaid, a government insurance for those who cannot afford insurance on their own. To qualify for Medicaid, you must meet limits to your income and resources. Resources are things like savings, property, or investments. If you make too much money or have too many resources, they can be spent down by using them to pay for part of the cost of your nursing home stay. Once you have spent enough of your own income and resources on your care to fall below the limits, you will qualify for Medicaid to pay for the rest. If you're a nursing home resident receiving long-term care and you qualify for Medicaid to help cover the cost, this usually means that all of your income must be used to help pay except for a small monthly personal needs allowance, or PNA. In 2022, the personal needs allowance in New York State is $50 every month. Finally, to qualify for Medicaid, your local Department of Social Services will take a look back at your finances during the past 60 months, or 5 years. This is called the look-back period. Do you remember that resources are things like savings, property, or investments? If they find at any point during the past 5 years that you sold or transferred resources for less than fair market value, by giving a gift, for example, you will receive a transfer penalty. This means that you'll have to wait longer to qualify for Medicaid. Let's take a look at some FAQs. What is a nursing home NAMI? If you're on Medicaid, the NAMI, or Net Available Monthly Income, is the amount of money that you must pay to your nursing home every month. For most residents, this is all of their income except for a monthly Personal Needs Allowance, or PNA, that varies by state and by year. Can my nursing home evict me for non-payment? Before a nursing home can evict you for not paying your bill, it has to try to help you find a way to pay. This includes helping you apply for nursing home Medicaid. For more information on discharge planning and avoiding nursing home evictions, you can watch our video on the topic. Can the Center for Elder Law and Justice, or CELJ, help? Yes. If you're a resident of Western New York, CELJ may be able to provide you with advice on long-term care planning and other questions related to Medicare and Medicaid at no charge. Call 716-853-3087 to ask for help. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for future elder law updates and legal explainers, or simply to support our work. Please let us know in the comments below what topics you'd like to see us cover in future videos. And remember, the best way to protect your rights is to know them.